Good morning students. I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking second standard math subject. Today's our topic is chapter first multiplication. In your previous class you have learned about the multiplication table for 1 to 7. Today we will do multiplication table for 8. 8 taken one time is equal to 8. 8 write in the multiplication form. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. 8 taken 2 times is equal to 16. Means here 8 beads taken 2 times. It became 16. Write in the multiplication form. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. 8 taken 3 times is equal to 24. Here 8 beads taken 3 times. 8 beads taken 3 times. Answer became 24. Write in the multiplication form. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 8 taken 4 times is equal to 32. Here 8 beads taken 4 times. Here answer became 32. 8 into 4 is equal to 32. 8 taken 5 times. Here 8 beads taken 5 times. So answer became 40. Write in the multiplication form. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. 8 taken 6 times. Here 8 beads taken 6 times. So answer became 48. 8 into 6 is equal to 48. 8 taken 7 times is equal to 56. 8 into 7 is equal to 56. 8 taken 8 times. Here 8 beads taken 8 times. So answer became 64. 8 into 8 is equal to 64. 8 taken 9 times. 8 taken 9 times is equal to 72. 8 into 9 is equal to 72. 8 taken 10 times is equal to 80. 8 into 10 is equal to 80. Multiplication table for 9. Now let's see the multiplication table for 9. 9 taken 1 time. 9 taken 1 time is equal to 9. Write in the multiplication form. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. 9 taken 2 times is equal to 18. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. 9 taken 3 times is equal to 27. Here 9 beads taken 3 times. Answer became 27. 9 taken 4 times. Here 9 beads taken 4 times. So answer become 36. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. 9 taken 5 times. Answer became 45. 9 into 5 is equal to 45. 9 taken 6 times is equal to 54. Answer is 9 into 6 is equal to 54. 9 taken 7 times. Here 9 beads taken 7 times. Answer became 63. 9 into 7 is equal to 63. 9 taken 8 times. Answer became 72. 9 into 8 is equal to 72. 9 taken 9 times is equal to 81. 9 into 9 is equal to 81. 9 taken 10 times is equal to 90. 9 into 9 is equal to 90. Now let's see the multiplication table for 10. 10 taken 1 time is equal to 10. Here 10 beads taken 1 time. 10 beads taken 1 time is equal to 10. 10 into 1 is equal to 10. 10 taken 2 times. 10 beads taken 2 times is equal to 20. 10 into 2 is equal to 20. 10 taken 3 times. Here answer became 30. 10 into 3 is equal to 30. 10 taken 4 times. Here 10 beads taken 4 times. So is equal to total answer became 40. Write in the multiplication form. 10 into 4 is equal to 40. 10 taken 5 times. Answer became 50. 10 into 5 is equal to 50. 10 taken 6 times. Answer became 60. 10 into 6 is equal to 60. 10 taken 7 times. Answer became 70. 10 into 7 is equal to 70. 10 taken 8 times. Here 10 beads taken 8 times. So answer became 80. 10 into 8 is equal to 80. 10 taken 9 times is equal to 90. 10 into 9 is equal to 90. 10 taken 10 times. Here 10 beads taken 10 times. So answer became 100. 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Practice time. Circle the correct product. Now 4 into 8. 4 8s are. Now we have to circle on the correct answer. Here some numbers are given. 21, 32, 37, 18. So 4 8s are 32. Circle on the 32. Next one is 5 into 9. Here answers are given. 45, 25, 35, 75. So 5 9s are 45. Circle on the 45. Next one is 7 into 7. Numbers are 36, 54, 49, 63. Now we have to circle the correct product. 7 into 7 is 49. 7 7s are 49. Next one is 4 into 7. 20 numbers are given. 24, 48, 28, 21. So 4 7s are 28. Circle on the 28. So next one is 6 into 7. Numbers are 62, 24, 48, 42. So students 6 7s are 42. Circle on the 42. Next one is 8 into 6. 40, 48, 42, 64. So correct answer is 8 6 are 48. Next one is 9 into 6. Numbers are 62, 63, 56, 54. So 9 6 are 54. Circle on the 54. Next one is 9 into 7. Numbers are 36, 63, 49, 54. 9 7s are 63. Circle on the 63. Now it's time to take the homework. Complete the multiplication table for 8, 9 and 10. You have to complete the multiplication table for 8, 9 and 10. Page number 83, 84 and 85 and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.